You thought robots would take the dirty work? In 2040, a human with a broom is a sign of stability. We are cheaper than a yearly subscription for a service android's complex mechanical maintenance. Welcome to the Great Regression. We didn't free the worker from toil. We just made technology so expensive that it was simpler to bring back the old ways. Innovation requires infrastructure, and infrastructure requires money we don't have. It is easier to hire a person than to fix a broken sensor. We have returned to manual labor out of necessity.
The cost of progress became too high for our stagnant world. We are protecting our comfort by working harder, not smarter, repeating the physical tasks of the past.
This is the human bargain. You are the most reliable spare part in the economy. You don't need software updates or rare minerals. You just need a simple paycheck to stay alive.
We have hit the ceiling of our own ambition. In Scenario C, the human spirit is used to patch the holes in a system that stopped growing decades ago. We are polishing the mundane and ignoring the spirit of discovery. Curiosity has been taxed out of existence. We just follow the old script because we are too afraid to write new code. Efficiency has stalled. We are working in a loop, perfecting the routine of a bygone era while the rest of the world is busy evolving into something we can't imagine. This is the price of the quiet life. It is safe, it is predictable, and it is completely stagnant. Next time, we look at the green resignation and our climate silence. Subscribe to wait out the great stagnation of Scenario C. The silence is growing.